Hi guys, how you doing? It's yet another day for hair. I'm usually excited when I'm doing hair. Guy, I think when I'm doing hair, when I'm doing DIY stuff, my experimental senses are usually there. Anywho, guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well under God's protection. And it's me here, Karimi, yet with another video about hair. As you can see, my hair is shaggy and extra dry, a bit moisturized but extra dry. Kuna mafuta but need dry. I feel my scalp is dry because anywho I went home ushago. I don't carry hair products to ushago, so I just go and stay. Then because it was just a few days, then I came back, became a parent, kurudisha watoto shule, but now I'm back taking care of this hair, guys. How you doing? I hope mko poa. Are you keeping safe? I hope you are, and praying to God that you remain safe. Well, acha tuanze video, si ndio? Tusianze kupeana story more. So today we'll be doing detangling. Do you know what detangling is? Hata nikifanyia hivi nywele mikono haiendi more. So I'm going to show you one of the ways that you can detangle your hair with my favorite shampoo that I found somewhere. Guys, the worst thing just happened. I've tried fixing it, nothing. That's why the lighting is off. Well, we move. Tujipe nguvu. We move. Lazima tushuti hivi because now when we didn't have a ring light, tuko tuna survive. So I feel broken. Like nasikia ni mimi nimecrash. Breathe in. Well, I'm going to show you how I detangle my hair sometimes, and I use water and shampoo. And today I'm using this shampoo, Zen hair shampoo, sulfate free, guys. Sulfate free. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but it's amazing. I have used it and it's amazing. I've been looking for a Kenyan product that I can use, and I think I found a shampoo. So zenye zimebaki tutafute bado. So I'm going to wet my hair, spray my hair with some water. I haven't found my spray bottle still, so I'm using an Imbo one. As you can see, guys, my hair is wet. Nimetoka kuwet kwa bafu since my water spray bottle is nowhere to be found. Now I'm going to separate the hair into like 4 parts as usual. I told you guys, when you section your hair, it's easier to deal with it, like to handle it. So do this, and I have clips to help me. So I'm going to start with this front section, my right hand. So what I do is I take shampoo kiasi, and this shampoo has a lot of foam, like in a foam. So let's see how it does. Detangling. See that. Just work on your hair slowly and carefully, using your fingers to detangle. You see it's working. Like ukienda kuosha, when you go to wash, you need no more shampoo. So just take your time if you have time. From this batch, this is what I lost. And this is a lot for me because my hair ain't that much. So I'm going to detangle other parts of the hair, then I'll be back. Guys, I'm done. Let me show you. Let me show you. And then just look at how. Gosh, guys. I'm so done detangling. I'm just going to wash. Let me show you. And you know washing, will not use no shampoo, so just wash. So this, I highly recommend this shampoo. It has essential oils, it has mint, it has lemongrass. I want to read for you what it has, guys. Peppermint oil, lemongrass, tea tree oil, and fragrance. It smells nice. Ooh, guys, 100% recommend. Though I'm losing a lot of hair, ni juu ya negligence yangu, leaving my hair dry. So I've lost a massive bunch of hair, guys. But we are working on that. And plus I have split ends, so I need to trim my hair. Anywho, let's go wash the hair. Guys, my shower is not working, so we're going to use just water. I hope you guys have learned something. I hope you've enjoyed, and keep spreading love and kindness to everyone, and thank you for watching. Love you. Subscribe if you have not. Like, share, and comment. Bye.